2 bags of our mini M&Ms on our sheet pan, and we're just spreading that out so it's one thin layer. Next, I'm coming in with my milk chocolate chips, and I'm using the Ghirardelli, and we're gonna go ahead and dump our whole bag of milk chocolate chips, and we're gonna take this to the microwave and melt this in 30-second increments. All right, our chocolate is melted, and I transferred it to a piping bag, and we're gonna go ahead and just cut this tip off right off the side. And then we're going right into our mini M&Ms, and we are going to make little dollops of chocolate, just like so. We're gonna do about that size of chocolate dollops. It's okay if they're a little uneven. They don't need to be twins, just sisters. We'll start off with our 6. And I forgot to mention, I'm using the milk chocolate, but if you want to use dark chocolate, white chocolate, whatever, go for it. So it looks like with 1 bag of chocolate, we can get at least 15 little circles. That looks good. And now for the fun part, we're sticking with the Valentine's Day theme. I have my Pillsbury heart-shaped sugar cookie doughs, and I already baked these up. They're perfectly cooked, and you know it. That's going right on top of that chocolate that is on top of those M&Ms. This is gonna be such a fun treat. Great for a school Valentine's party, great for a Galentine's, great just to make for your loved ones. If you know you're not like a professional baker, but you still wanna make something cute, this will be perfect. And I just baked these cookies to the instructions on the box, and they came out perfect. But these are gonna be so cute. It's just a way to elevate your store-bought cookie dough. You could do chocolate chip cookies, you could do snickerdoodles, you could do double chocolate cookies, but I just thought might as well stay on theme. And we're kind of pressing these down as we place them into the milk chocolate. All right, now we are gonna put this in the fridge until that chocolate is nice and hardened. Woo! These are looking super cute. That chocolate has completely hardened, so it is time to reveal. I think I'm gonna do this one first. Look at that! Isn't that so fun?
So festive.
Little like M&Ms stuck to the bottom of our Valentine's cookies. These are absolutely adorable. Oh. Ooh. All right, should we give one a try?
Yeah, I think so.
And these were only in the fridge for like, what, 10 minutes?
Yeah, I'd say maybe 15.
If you're a chocolate lover like me, these are for you.